Hello guys, this is Angela from WODWIN. Today I will show you our most popular video conference kit, which is used in video conference room. On my left hand is our USB PTZ camera, the model WIN-M51U, and this one is our conference microphone. The model is WIN-DM3B. Then Angela will show you how them works. Angela will use the USB cable to power on this camera. No need the power supply, only the USB cable. Another side I connect with my PC. You see, it is working now. Safe testing when it is powered on the first time. About the Bluetooth microphone, we should power on first. Press this Bluetooth connection button. It is pairing, and you should find this Bluetooth name on my PC.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, it tells you Bluetooth connected, okay? So they are working now. Angela will use the IR remote controller to show you the pan and the tilt about these cameras. Tilt is 60 degrees. The pan is 340 degrees. Yeah, Angela wear the black color shirt, so it is not so clear. Angela will play a music, use our Bluetooth microphone. This is voice down, voice up. Middle is a mute button. Here is the Bluetooth connection, and this is hand on and up. You can hear that it is high sound because this Bluetooth microphone we built in DSP and the DNR echo cancellation. And the secret tell you it is built in 3000 mAh battery inside, so it can hold a meeting or video calling or play music over 8 hours. Fantastic, right? So do you like this combination? It is very popular used in the video conference room. If you want to know the price or you want to test the camera, contact me, Angela. I'm from WODWIN. Our website is wodwin.com. See you guys. Bye.